Hey guys, Steve Facio from the Vermont Center for Eco Studies, out at a vernal pool near my home in Stratford. This will be the first in a series of vernal pool videos that I'll make over the coming weeks. Maybe once a week or so, I'll come out to this vernal pool and we'll see what's going on, see what the changes are like as the spring progresses. So I thought today we could talk about just what a vernal pool is. Um, there are three basic characteristics of vernal pools. One, they're temporary. They're ephemeral wetlands, so they hold water in the spring and maybe into the early summer, but they generally dry up. Maybe not every year, but at least every few years, or maybe only in drought years, depending on the pool. But they dry up, and that's an important characteristic because that inhibits any fish populations from becoming established, which is the second characteristic of vernal pools, is they don't support fish populations, and that's critical for some of the amphibians that breed in these wetlands. And number three is that they generally don't have connections to groundwater or any kind of connections to permanent wetlands. So if we take a look at this pool, I'll just spin the camera around here. Take a look at this pool, and it's just a big basin. There's no streams coming in. There's no streams going out. And as you can see, the woods surrounding this pool are still pretty snow covered. And the pool itself is mostly ice covered. There's a little bit of thawed edge. So we're still waiting for things to warm up just a little bit more before the amphibians become active. I'm thinking in a couple more days we might see some activity here. So we'll come back in a few days and see what's going on. And in the meantime, if you want to learn more, go to our vernal pool conservation page at our website, vtecostudies.org, and you can learn a lot more.